The Wenatchee Valley is said to be the best place in the world to grow pears, and I think the product pretty much speaks for itself. Here at Bland Orchards in Cashmere, there's an awesome and enthusiastic family working day and night to make sure their fruit lives up to its reputation. I caught up with Vince and Lisa Bland and their daughter Erica McConnell as they were gearing up for harvest. How close are these to being harvested?
Well, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah,
So they get one more day to grow.
Yeah, one more day. Do you like green pears?
Yeah. I like them firm. I like them firm.
We need to educate people though on what is a ripe pear. You go by the pressure of the stem, so you take your thumb and you press. As you feel right now, it's hard. Okay, so that's tell you it's not ripe at all. Don't go by color. If you wait until this thing is totally yellow, it'll be rotten. So you got to go by the pressure of around the stem here. And the softer, the more ripe it will be. And then you'll find where you like your pear.
Talk to me a little bit about the irrigation process of keeping these pears fed with water. Where does that come from and how does it get here?
Well, it starts with a good snowpack. We always do the snowpack dance every winter. It's flowing down to us.
I see. Okay.
So through the ditches that are miles long.
It's like playing the lottery, you know. You
Right.
never know if you're going to win the Mega Millions.
That's why I tell people we don't go gambling because we gamble every day.
That is your life, isn't it? It is.
We don't need a casino to get our thrills.
Just wake up every morning.
You just need a snowpack. That's what you're rolling the dice
That is the
on.
rule, yeah.
I don't think people realize they go in a grocery store, they want to pick a pear, but they are so dependent on what snow falls in the mountain in order for these pears to get the water they need.
Yeah, I mean nothing would grow without the water.
We were nervous this year because we got 2 days of snow last winter, I think,
Yeah.
and
That's it?
and it wasn't enough to
Not
do it.
until like January.
But they did get late
Yeah.
snow. They did get late snow in the mountains, which helped
Right.
us.
Now Erica and I are going to go head to head in a pear picking competition. Let's do this. Just set me up for success, okay?
It's competitive. Our family's competitive.
Well-
She's going to set herself up to win.
I know. I noticed that. Like, there's a big bunch over there. You're giving me these little scrawny ones. 90 seconds. I'm a novice. You're a pro.
Whoa.
Let's just see.
I drive tractor now, so
Okay.
I would say not on the pro spectrum.
So I'm
but-
gonna take this tree because it looks like it has more pears. You're gonna take that tree, and we're gonna start the timer and see how I do. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Let me think about this. Okay, go.
All right, go.
Oh, she's already moving.
Oh, she's already moving.
Adjustment.
Wait a minute. Where are all my pears?
Hey, you complained about this tree.
Oh, and I dropped one.
You can build for that. It's fine.
Okay, time. Time. I think we ran out of time. You have to stop picking now. I just want to tell you, you gotta stop picking. I can already tell your bag is pretty full. Look at this. Hey, some of mine rolled over there. We're on a hill.
It was like that.
Yeah, so some of mine rolled over to her side. I think mine have a better quality than yours, so maybe I edged you up. Good. Nice work.
Good job. I don't think either one of us are high.
Right, let's stick to our day jobs.
Yeah.
We had fun picking, but picking is a hard job.
Yes.
And if you're doing that up and down a ladder all day long, that's tough work. So the next time we're eating pears at a grocery store, we better be thankful.
I like doing stuff like this because it does remind you why you're doing it. Sometimes you get stuck in the everyday of just getting up, trying to do the best you can. And then when you finally stop and look around, you're like, look at this place.
Yeah.
Like, this is amazing.
Well, at the end of the day, all I can say is beautiful land, a beautiful product, and most importantly, what a beautiful family. You guys are awesome.
Thanks, Thomas. And we didn't even pay you to say that.